So this is where you end up. So this is where you end up if you've done some bad stuff. Look at this. You can get in there. There's an opening. Let's check it out. At the prison, at the front door. Prison with marble. Look at this. Man. Wow. So let's check this place out. Look at this. A prison in Syracuse. What? Look at this. It's pretty big. Let's go up the stairs. And again, marble. And look at the staircase. Wow. Somebody's sleeping here. Look at this, man. Look at these doors. The locks are still in here. Wow. Toilets. This is nice. Let's get in here. Rooms are pretty big, but I think because there are multiple people in one room. And you have the toilet space and the shower. You can make a nice place of this. Look at this. There's the staircase. Wow, man. I didn't bring my light. These are the smaller cells. Probably if you did something wrong, you would have end up here. One of the smaller ones. This is what a view. This one is totally dark. Yeah. Isolation cells. That would have been an isolation cell. All of these. And all of the stairs are cut off by tricky. It's already coming down some parts. Look at that. These look more like the rec rooms or the work rooms. Toilets or showers. Everything is, because it's, yeah, it looks a little. They're trying to keep it up. Imagine this view from here. Man. Awesome. Okay. Gonna go around here. I think we can go here. Some parts really fall down already. Pigeons are living here. The pigeons took over. Oh, that's why you have to watch out. There's also places like that. Oh, there's another. Stairs upstairs, okay. Check that out as well. Look at this. So of course there's a warden in every prison. Probably this is where the warden had his office. Because it's the only place without bars. Outside we can see Loris probably sitting. Yeah, there he is. There's Loris. There's more places there, like crumbling. But this one must have been the offices of the sure. Of the warden and his staff. Look at this. Oh, there's more here. Wow, man. It's 2 stories up even. Look at that. They had the real thing here. Bathtub. Toilet. I heard somebody walking here. Let's get back. See another explorer there. They didn't see me, but I saw them. Oh, he's not exploring. He's getting stuff. Look at these. Small hallway. See the stairs that we saw before? We pretty much saw everything. Except for the main entrance. We saw that. Cases here. I don't know. What's in it? Samples or something from the concrete. There was a scooter once. This is probably the place where you got in. Oh no. Visitors. So let's do what they couldn't do. Oh, that door's closed. So that was it. I hope you liked this video. Like and subscribe. Just had that one in between. Nice. So we'll go to Loris because he's waiting for us. And then well, it was amazing. What a thing! Like you wouldn't expect this one. Like here, right here, just bum.
Siracusa, you abandoned the place. It's amazing.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and remember, it's nothing but footprints, take nothing but pictures. See you the next time. Of course, don't forget to like and subscribe this channel.
So we are very near, and I hope we won't meet the crazy neighbor. Probably that's the way in.